Last week was not good for President Donald Trump, Trevor Noah informed The Daily Show viewers. It started Wednesday when Trump replaced his House elf, Jeff Sessions, with Republican Vin Diesel, aka Matt Whitaker, Noah explained Monday. Reaction was so negative, Trump began insisting he did not know Whitaker, despite having told Fox News he knows him, calling him a great guy. "Sometimes Trump lies so hard he gives my brain whiplash," Noah confided. Trump also got trashed for his tweets about the wildfires in California, blaming forest management and threatening to pull federal payments to the state. But POTUS had the chance to put all that behind him in France over the weekend. All he had to do was show up at a ceremony to commemorate Armistice Day, at an American cemetery. Trump instead skipped the event, blaming the rain which, White House said, prevented his helicopter from flying there. "Does it need to keep its hair dry too?" Noah snarked. Noah said he understood about the lousy weather, but other world leaders found a way to show up to that ceremony. Even Angela Merkel made it, and her side lost World War I, he quipped. Trump's bromance with Frances President Emmanuel Macron was officially off by the end of the weekend, Noah illustrated with video.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.